right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday, you recall we did start our blockchain basics module, and today we did finish it. Let's go over some of the concepts that ended the module for us. One of them was what is the value of smart contracts? So, the easiest way to sum up the value is that they create trust minimized agreements. In other words, these agreements create unbreakable promises. This gives rise to a new type of economy, the trust minimized economy, which is built on speed, efficiency, and transparency. Another thing we touched on was the scam that took place with FTX. I'm not sure if you know about that, but you can look it up for yourself. The FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried are a perfect example of opposite of a trust minimized economy. FTX was a centralized exchange, and Sam was a centralized figure. Now, this is the opposite of a trust minimized economy, and that's how they were able to pull off what they pulled off. Now, what have smart contracts done so far? Smart contracts are responsible for DeFi. DeFi is short for decentralized finance. And DeFi gives users the ability to engage with finance markets without having to go through a centralized intermediary. Next are DAOs. DAOs are short for decentralized autonomous organizations. DAOs are decentralized organizations that are run by smart contracts. Then there are NFTs. NFTs are short for non-fungible tokens. NFTs are unique digital assets that are stored on a blockchain. Now, again, those are just some of the concepts that we ended the module with. We did finish the blockchain basics, and we did move on to transactions. Pretty much that module was a download on the wallet and going over transactions and how to implement them, but we'll touch on that tomorrow. Today, I just wanted to focus on getting this module done, the blockchain basics, which we have done. So, of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.